Now, let us see converting mathematical expression into C expression. See the figure, mathematical expression and C expression side by side given. Relational operators. We often compare two quantities depending on their relation, take certain decisions. For example, we compare the age of two persons or the price of two items and so on. These comparisons can be done with the help of relational operators. The operators that are used to find the relationship between two operands are called as relational expression. An expression such as A is lesser than B or 1 is lesser than 20, the value of the relational expression is either 1 or 0. It is 1 if the specified relation is true and 0 if the relation is false. Example, 10 is lesser than 20 is true, 20 is lesser than 10 is false. Relational operators in C are as shown in the figure. Example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30. A is greater than B, not equal to C is lesser than equal to B, greater than A, 10 greater than 20, not equal to 30, lesser than or equal to 20, greater than 10. 0 is not equal to 30, is lesser than or equal to 20, greater than 10. 0 not equal to 0, greater than 0, 0 not equal to 0. Now let us see logical operators. The operator that are used to combine two or more relational expression is called logical operators. Result of logical operators is always true or false. Logical operators in C are as shown in the figure. Logical and double ampersand. The output of logical operation is true if and only if both the operands are evaluated to true. See the figure. Now let us see logical OR, double pipeline. The output of logical operation is false if and only if both the operands are evaluated to false. See the figure and example. Logical NOT. It is a unary operator. The result is true if the operand is false and the result is false if the operand is true. See the figure. Note the logical operator double ampersand and double line are used when we want to test more than one condition and make decisions. An example is A is greater than B ampersand X is equal to 10. The above logical expression is true only if A is greater than B and is true, and X is equal to 10 is true if either or both of them are false. The expression is false. Now let us see assignment operators. An operator which is used to assign the data or result of an expression into a variable is called assignment operator. The usual assignment operator is equal to types of assignment statements: simple assignment statement, shorthand assignment statement, multiple assignment statement, simple assignment statement. Syntax: variable is equal to expression semicolon. Example, A is equal to 10. RHS is constant, A is equal to B, RHS is variable, A is equal to B plus C, RHS is an expression. So, an expression can be a constant, variable or expression. The symbol is equal to is assignment operator. The expression on the right side of the assignment is evaluated and the result is converted into type of variable on the left hand side of assignment operator. The converted data is copied into variable which is present on left hand side LHS of the assignment operator. Example, int A is equal to 100, int A is equal to 100, int B is equal to A. Shorthand assignment statement. C has a set of shorthand assignment operators of the form var op is equal to expression. where v is a variable, exp is an expression, and op is a C library arithmetic operator. The operator op is equal to is known as the shorthand assignment operator. The assignment statement var op is equal to exp is equivalent to var equivalent to v is equal to var op of exp with var evaluated only once. The operators such as plus is equal to comma, minus is equal to comma, star is equal to comma, divided by is equal to are called as the assignment operators. Example, the statement x is equal to x plus 10 can be written as x plus is equal to 10. Example, solve the equation x star is equal to y plus z, where when x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5 and z is equal to 3, solution is x star is equal to y plus z can be written as x is equal to x star of y plus z, x is equal to 10 star of 5 plus 3, that is x is equal to 10 star 8, x is equal to 80. See the figure once.